To be in class and most likely to offer assistance.
Ellen.
Sam.
Wow.
They aren't here.
Oh, wow. Isaac? No.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alyssa. You're right. You're right.
most likely to be in class.
Irony.
I know. Oh.
Okay, so like there's 2 awards. The first one is sarcastic and like ironic. The second
Oh, you're
one
right.
is, like,
Yeah, I was like, she never asked.
Bert.
Okay. Second person, meanest personality and best advice giver.
Jeremy.
I could have guessed that.
Least likely to compliment you. Most likely to danse ni naru. Catchphrase guy and
Isaac. Catchphrase.
most stressed and best nickname.
Most stressed.
Most likely to get confused.
Sheila.
Read the next one.
Sheila.
League master.
Oh, wait, what? Sam? Khelsey. Oh, yeah.
Best eyesight and most likes on Vine.
Nikki.
Oh, crap, it's in the video.
Sorry.
Rizelle, you have to.
No, I'm skipping it. Most outspoken, business over pleasure.
Vanja. I'm recording.
Most likely to hate boy bands, sweetest personality.
Isabel.
Yeah. Oh, you guys know? You guys know the right name, but it's not you.
This one.
Me?
Tallest person in code, most likely to marry a band member.
Yeah,
That's not me.
Most likes on Instagram posts, sweetest singing voice.
Holly. Oh, look at the Holly.
Darkest skin tone,
that's me.
Dancing with the Stars champion. Edward again.
She's the lightest one. Okay. Loudest voice and indie music lover.
Jasmine. Miclat, right? Yeah, Miclat.
Sports fanatic and most soft-spoken.
Oh, that's.
Nicolette.
Yeah. Most likely to hate K-pop and bubbliest personality. One Directioner.
Monica.
Yeah, that's Monica.
Monica.
I think it's just Directioners.
Okay. Least likely to wear a sweater. Rising singer.
Oh, that's good.
No.
Wait, what happened?
Oh, yeah. Imahni.
Okay. Most contributed and most laid back.
What are you skipping? Wait, what? Hey guys.
I don't know.
Yeah, you're the
Wait, okay.
Most likely to show code pride. I mean, least likely to show code pride and Kendama King. Most likely to switch seats and most spirited.
Rizelle? Rizelle switch seasons.
Oh, you're fantastic.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, she's on the side of the
I stay in the same seat.
No matter what.
Okay. Most likely to own a hair straightener and most easygoing.
I do not own
Hair straightener.
Who doesn't? What's code?
I don't.
It's Mazie.
Her hair's always slow. Okay, most productive and and best cock player. Sasha Clan.
Oh, Emma.
COC.
Clash of Clans.
Clans, guys. Hair like Rapunzel and most creative.
Bernice.
Yes.
I get it. Your hair's short.
Second best cock player and best flag maker.
Ow, my butt.
Oh my god. Worst grade point average, quirkiest personality.
Rizelle.
Most likely to stay awake.
Wow.
Who is it? Shortest legs and easiest to talk to.
Adrian?
Yeah.
Adrian? He's tall.
Best dressed on Tuesdays and most sarcastic.
I'm more sarcastic than yeah, I was like Tuesdays.
Least likely to vlog on YouTube and sweetest smile.
Hey.
Holly. Most likely to post on Facebook and biggest laugh.
Biggest, most likely to Who doesn't have a Facebook? Adrian doesn't have one.
Wait, who is it?
Are they here? Yeah, they're here.
Is it me? Is it me?
Okay.
Most likely to become a rap star and best hair. Least likely to sprain a limb and best basketball player.
Vanessa. She's not here.
Most likely to hashtag feel the love. Best at studying physics.
She's like, oh no.
One more.
Oh, yeah. I wonder who it is.
Why are you like
Oh my god.
Look.
You can't make it. They're like 6 Edward!
Hi, Gabby.
Hair like Rapunzel.
Best dress on Tuesday.
That was a good one.
As soon as they said Tuesday, I was like, nope, Aro.
I looked at you like
This is a special award, and we believe that in the Morse code is dependent upon an advisor who presents leadership, vindictiveness, and tough love. Your willingness to further those values with the above skills. Least likely to take care of effing business. Okay, handsome English teacher. Recognition of your cooperation and effort you have devoted to the Morse code 2013-2014 staff.
Oh my god.
And as the editors-in-chief dedicated to leading and representing this class, we do hereby commend Jeff Meyer!
Please like
Nice, Edward.